Let's talk about what you need to know about affiliate marketing. Here on my Warrior Plus dashboard, there's two sides to this coin. There's affiliate daily stats, and here you can see some earnings in this column. Then there's the vendor daily stats, and here you can see a profit column, and in this column you see what I paid out to affiliates. Now, this part of affiliate marketing is the side of affiliate marketing where I create my own products. Now, while creating your own products is an advanced strategy, it all comes back to the foundations of the $100 a day system. People on the internet who are your audience and bringing them in to your $100 a day system with YouTube videos and blog posts or what is called your content to earn affiliate commissions. Building out these foundations and understanding these things that you need to know about affiliate marketing bring both earnings and profit, as you see here under affiliate daily stats and vendor daily stats. And that kicks off with step one of the $100 a day system. Now, if you're new to the channel and you don't know what the $100 a day system is, I'm going to leave a card up here in the right-hand corner. You can check out that playlist to get started with the foundations. But the idea here is step one, pick a niche. Step two, create helpful content. And again, that looks like this. Your audience is people on the internet. Your $100 a day system is YouTube videos and blog posts where you create useful content that solves a problem for your audience, those people on the internet that are looking for a solution to their problem. And then that brings them over to where you earn an affiliate commission. Step three in this process is to build your authority. And building your authority starts with that content and consistently creating the content and watching your authority grow as you consistently or as you stay consistent with your audience by providing helpful information like what you see here on my YouTube channel here inside YouTube Studio, inside of the Studio Analytics, where you can see that I'm constantly getting views from the helpful content that I'm creating and releasing, and my audience, those people that have a problem that are looking for a solution, find on my YouTube channel. The same holds true here inside of Google Analytics with my blog traffic. You can see it's steadily starting to grow as I've started to lay that foundation of my blog to go along with the consistent content on my YouTube channel. Go back to step one, picking a niche. This is simply a problem that a group of people have where you have the solution, and the solution is provided to them when you create that helpful content. And then in step four, you build your authority by being consistent with that content, as well as creating products that you sell to your audience. And step four in this process is to simply rinse and repeat. That means to stay consistent and continually do this on a continuous basis where you provide that helpful content to your audience. Back here inside of Warrior Plus, again, you see the earnings on the affiliate side. You see the profit on the vendor side. You see the revenue and then you see the profit, but you also see here that I'm paying out to affiliates because what I've done at this point is I've created my own product. Again, we're talking about the $100 a day system, but we're talking about an advanced step, but it all starts with the foundations. Again, your audience is on the internet and you give away free stuff in the form of a lead magnet, or you sell your own products. And then you thank your audience for opting into the free thing and or buying your products. And then you put them on your email list, and then you follow up with more content with affiliate links, which bring your audience over to additional affiliate offers. Or just like you did inside your $100 a day system, you bring those people on the internet into your audience, into your $100 a day system with your helpful content, and you earn affiliate commissions. So again, back here at Warrior Plus on my sales dashboard, affiliate daily stats, vendor daily stats, working together after step one, picking a niche, step two, creating helpful content, in this case, in the form of a blog and a YouTube channel, and step three, building your authority, or in my case, continuing to build my authority on both my YouTube channel, my blog, as well as creating my own product, finding affiliates of my own to promote that product, and then step four, simply rinse and repeat. Simple $100 a day system that starts by finding your audience, which are people on the internet, bringing them over to your YouTube videos and your blog posts with helpful content inside of your $100 a day system, and then earning an affiliate commission. Expanding upon that and the fact that your audience is on the internet and you can give away free stuff or you can create your own products, they'll opt in and buy your products. You simply thank them, add them to your list, follow up with more content with affiliate links to additional affiliate offers where you make more money inside of your $100 a day system. And what this looks like over time is you will continually add contacts to an email list. You will build and grow an email list to go along with the audience over on your YouTube channel and your blog, which just reinforces the simplicity of the model of the $100 a day system. People on the internet, which are your audience, bringing them over to your YouTube videos, like the video you're watching here, blog posts that answer their questions and provide helpful information, and you simply put affiliate links inside of that content, and that earns you affiliate commissions. So this video has been a status update on my $100 a day system. As you see, it continued to grow with both affiliate daily stats, vendor daily stats, where I am playing both sides of the affiliate marketing coin, where I earn commissions as an affiliate, and I also recruit affiliates for my own products. But a reminder here to also start simple, and to do that, check out a link in the description and the pinned first comment that will take you over to the system that I use to lay the foundations of my $100 a day system that you can join and follow along with me. Just simply click that link, check out the information on the squeeze page, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.